Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we'll comparing the crash test results of two popular SUVs, the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan and the 2024 Nissan Qashqai. Both vehicles have undergone rigorous testing by Euro NCAP, the leading independent safety testing organization in Europe. And starting with the adult occupant protection, both the Tiguan and the Qashqai were put through frontal and side impact test. The Volkswagen Tiguan scored 83% in this category with strong performance in the frontal offset test, providing good protection to both the driver and passenger. On the other side, the Nissan Qashqai scored a better 91%, offering a slightly better protection in certain area during the frontal impact test compared to the Tiguan. For child occupant protection, the Volkswagen Tiguan achieved a score of 88% with excellent protection for both 6 and 10 years old child dummies in the frontal and side impact test. The Nissan Qashqai scored a 91% in this category as well, provided good overall protection. And another crucial aspect of this test is the pedestrian protection, and the Volkswagen Tiguan scored an 84% with good protection provided by the bonnet to the pedestrian head and adequate protection to the leg and pelvis areas, while the Nissan Qashqai scored only 70%, offering good head protection. The protection for a pedestrian pelvis was less consistent compared to the Tiguan. And the last category of this crash test are the safety assist technologies, who are designed to prevent the accidents from happening. And in this case, the Volkswagen Tiguan scored 78% thanks to the features like autonomous emergency braking, lane assist and speed assistance systems. On his side, the Nissan Qashqai scored an amazing 95% with his own suite of advanced safety features, including emergency braking and lane keeping assistance. However, the Tiguan systems were slightly less responsive in the test. In conclusion, both the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan and the 2024 Nissan Qashqai performed well in the Euro NCAP crash test, achieving the 5 stars Euro NCAP award, but with a better protection percentage for the veteran Nissan Qashqai. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.